Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Cecilia.
I'm Juan.
Today we're gonna be trying key lime slime Twinkies. Oh, this is what it looks like, and so let's get started.
Let's open the box. And
This is my brother's.
it just looks like
And this is mine.
it looks like a normal Twinkie from the top, but at the bottom
It looks different.
oh god. Okay. Let's open this.
Let's hope it doesn't. Oh, let's sort of stick to the. This is what it looks like. You can sort of see a bit of green in mine.
Yeah.
So
It looks like mold.
3, 2, 1, go. Huh. But I wonder, how does the cream taste like? Does it actually taste like key lime pie?
It does.
It actually does.
It does.
And this is what it looks like inside, by
It
the way.
has like a little slimy taste to it.
It's very green. It does look like slime. So I would rate this out of 10. I rate this a 6.
I rate this an 8 because I thought it would be bad, but
I rate this a 6
it's
because
actually good.
I like Twinkies, but it's not the best.
So
So make sure to subscribe, like, and comment the video. That's it for today.
bye.